So I started using a storyboard that, and I'm going to show you my story. The name is The Lion and the Mouse. I got the 14-day free trial, which is really nice because it has possibilities to, let's say, include more slides and some other options, which the free trial doesn't have enough. Well, let's start. Well, once in a dense jungle far, far away, there lived a mighty lion whom all other creatures used to fear very much. He used to spend half his day in hunting and the other half in sleeping. No creature dared to come near his den at any time of the day, especially when he was asleep, for the mighty beast got terribly angry if his sleep was disturbed in any way. But one day, it so happened that a little mouse got curious to see how the lion's den looked like. So he set out for the cave where the lion rested. When he got near, he could not see the lion. He said, "He has gone somewhere. Is he going back to come back soon?" "Nah, I don't think so." The den was a dark, desolate place, but big enough for the lion to live. The mouse felt small and a little afraid when he saw the large footprints of the lion on the ground. "Maybe I should turn back." Just then he heard the sound of the footsteps of the lion. "Oh no, he's coming back. Now, what do I do?" The frightened mouse lost his mind and began to run up and down up the lion. The lion placed his huge paw upon its tail and opened his big jaws to swallow the mouse, when the latter cried out, "Pardon, O King. Please forgive me. I did not mean to wake you. I was only trying to leave this cave, which I entered out of curiosity. Kindly let me go this time. I shall never forget your nobility. If destiny gives me a chance, I will assist you in whichever way I can on one of your bad days." Few days as the lion was prowling majestically through the jungle, it was suddenly caught in a hunter's snare. "Don't move, your majesty. I'll cut your ropes and you'll soon be free." Without wasting a second, he began nibbling through the ropes with his sharp little teeth. Very soon the lion was free, and the two creatures became the best of friends from that day. I did not believe that even you could help me, but I was wrong. No matter how weak and small a creature is, he may be of help if time comes. So this was my story. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much.